Welcome to this rare opportunity for a beautiful custom-built home situated on more than 25 acres in the desirable Upper Camp Creek area. You can escape the city and enjoy this private, peaceful setting where you can listen to the sounds of the creek and friendly wildlife. The expansive property includes a picturesque field with great soil, a large orchard, and a huge agricultural building. Heading inside, discover an inviting interior with a great flowing floor plan for entertaining. The chef-friendly kitchen features beautiful granite, high-end appliances, and abundant storage, including an extra-large pantry. It opens to the light and bright dining area and the magnificent sunroom with floor-to-ceiling windows. You can unwind in the private master suite. Relax in the heated two-person jacuzzi or the walk-in shower. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has plenty of space with more than 2,800 square feet. On the upper level, you'll find a huge bonus room with built-ins and tons of storage. Entertain or just relax on the newly remodeled deck by the landscaped and lighted garden. Or take in the gorgeous views. Just up the hill, you'll find the expansive agricultural building surrounded by towering firs. It includes multiple finished rooms for any number of uses. And tons of covered parking or storage areas. This property includes more than $100,000 in timber and additional water rights from Camp Creek. You're also just 7 miles from shopping and 11 miles to Riverbend Medical Center. A gorgeous country home and property. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Bryan Rehnberg with Premier Property Group at 541-619-1449.